In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create wedding invitations on Canva. Whether you're planning your own wedding or helping out a friend, creating beautiful invitations can be a wonderfully creative experience that also saves you some money. So let's dive right in and have some fun designing. First, head over to Canva's website. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and sign up. It's free, and the process is really straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by an array of creative tools. At the top of the homepage, you'll see a search bar. Here, type in wedding invitation, then press enter. This is where the magic begins. You'll now see a display of various templates crafted by professional designers. This step is all about picking a template that resonates with the style or theme of your wedding. Whether you're going for something traditional, modern, or whimsical, you'll find something that speaks to you. Take your time scrolling through the options and select the one that best fits your vision for your special day. Once you've found the template you love, click on it. This will open another page where you'll see an option that says Customize this template. Now click on that button. Welcome to the design studio, where you can tailor this template to suit your taste and needs. The changes you can make are vast and versatile. Let's start by focusing on the text and the date. Click on any text box and you'll be able to edit it directly. Change the names, dates, times, or any other details related to the event. You can adjust the font, size, and color to make sure everything aligns with your wedding theme. This step is key in personalizing your invitations and making them truly unique to your occasion. Remember to explore the design tools on the left side of the screen. If you feel extra creative, you can add images, adjust layouts, and experiment with Canva's pre-made elements to further enhance your design. It's an enjoyable process, so play around with the features until you achieve that perfect look. Once you're happy with how everything looks, take a moment to review all the details. Check for any spelling mistakes or incorrect dates. When you're satisfied, it's time to save and download your masterpiece. You can download your design as a PDF for print-ready quality, or as an image file, depending on how you plan to distribute your invitations. And there you have it. You've just created your own wedding invitations with Canva. It's as simple as that, and the best part is you now have unique personalized invitations to go along with your special day. Feel free to revisit Canva anytime you need to make adjustments or try different designs for other occasions. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing!